Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Navage travel case so you can take this on the go. Alright, so right here we have our Navage travel case. This is offered in 3 different colors. They've got this one right here, which is teal. They got a black and they got a paisley. So let's go ahead and unbox this or unwrap it. So if you like traveling and you want to take your Navage with you but don't have to keep carrying it by itself, this one here is a great alternative to bring your Navage with you. This can hold the machine, some pads, as well as your nose guards that come with the Navage. This is about 8 inches or 20.3 centimeters wide. It is super durable. It's not flimsy. As you can see when I touch it, it's a bit hard. So, the Naväge is a world's nose cleaner with power suctions to flush out all allergens, mucus, ducts, and germs, unlike Neti pods and Neti squeeze bottles that push saline through your nose, which the Naväge pulls. So this right here is my Naväge machine. I'm taking off the nose grid. You'll have to take that off in order to fit it in. So you can turn it either way. It is shown that they put the nose guard up at the top where this little strap is, but I just put it down where I'd put the pods. So you do have a section here on the side. That's where you can put all your pods. You do get a little section at the top so you can add more stuff up there. So like you want to put more pods, or you want to put these things that I got these rubber things that go inside the Naväge, so it helps bypass those things so you don't have to buy the pods. With this right here, you can add it up there. You could put your nose guard up in here at the top, so you have plenty of space to put your saline pods, your nose thing, and also the machine. This is really nice. It's got a really sturdy zipper. It's got a nice little handle right here to take with you. So if you're on the road or you're out on a trip and you want to take it with you, but you just don't want to carry the machine by itself, then I would highly recommend getting one of these travel cases. It can carry everything from your Naväge machine to your salt pods to any other accessories you might have all in one spot. It is a space saver, so it doesn't take up very much room. It is not super heavy. It's really nice and light. I would definitely recommend, if you're looking for a case to take with you for your Naväge machine, this travel case is definitely an option, and you also have 3 other colors to choose from.